Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and today I'm just finishing off this bedroom that I showed the cleaning with my rotary using the SETT method, soil extraction transfer technology. In the previous video I was just showing how incredibly well the rotary machine with the right attachment will lift and restore a carpet pile. And so this is the finishing step on this carpet after using the Oxy-Dry fibre pad and applying the cleaning solution and scrubbing it in, which was very effective at lifting the pile. I followed that with a green stripe pad to do the extraction step. I went off and did 2 other bedrooms and a set of stairs, and I'm back here. I'm about to do the final step, which is the post vacuuming or grooming, or indoor grooming, I guess you could say. And one of the things I want to point out is how the carpet pile has been lifted in the cleaning process. And the final step is, of course, with the vacuum, which will give it will set the pile and lay it all in an even direction and give the carpet a just vacuumed appearance, which is actually what I'm going to do. So the carpet actually gets vacuumed twice normally when I clean them. You can see the pile of the carpet looking all nice and fluffy. The area that was right here in front of the door was all packed down, and now it's standing up very well. Although this carpet is pretty worn, and of course it will lay down again as it gets walked on. But the important thing to remember is that what I was pointing out in the previous video was there's this myth being perpetuated by some that the rotary machine flattens the pile. And what I showed in the previous video for all to see is that is simply not the case. With the right attachments, the rotary machine is very effective at lifting and restoring the carpet pile. But there are some that would say otherwise, but they're speaking out of ignorance from lack of experience. Maybe they're just repeating what others have told them, or they're purposefully being dishonest about what they're saying, and they have their own reasons for wanting to do that, I guess. I just, in my videos, what I do is I just simply show everybody what I do and explain why I do it. And in doing that, I'm able to prove that what I'm saying is true, rather than simply make statements that I'm not backing up with actual evidence. Of course, now that the carpet has been lifted and fluffed up, when you run the vacuum over it, it really fluffs up really well with the vacuum, of course, and it will for some time after cleaning. It's not a light machine. Just wanted to make sure I get it back where it was. But you can see, if you look very carefully, you can see that the pattern of this carpet has been renewed pretty well. It is worn. It definitely is worn. But the cleaning did not flatten the carpet pile. It lifted it. It gave it a rejuvenation. Puffed it up. There were a few little spots on this carpet, but they came out without any problem. And as I mentioned in the previous video, this particular carpet does tend to hold on to dust more so than others do. So this double vacuuming that is standard for the way that I clean is very helpful to get out the maximum amount of particulate soil and the dust. You can see how wonderful this looks. Okay, well there you go. So thank you very much for watching and have a good day.